Hey there, all you aspiring content creators. Are you ready to take your YouTube channel to the next level and grow like never before? Well, you're in the right place because today, I'm going to share with you some top tips and tricks on how to grow on YouTube and become the next big sensation. Section 1. Finding your niche. The first step in growing on YouTube is finding your niche. What are you passionate about? What sets you apart from other creators? It's crucial to carve out your own corner of the platform where you can shine and attract your target audience. Whether you're into beauty, gaming, cooking, or vlogging, make sure to choose a niche that you're genuinely interested in and can create content consistently. Section 2. Creating high-quality content. Now that you've found your niche, it's time to create high-quality content that will keep your viewers coming back for more. Invest in a good camera, microphone, and lighting to ensure your videos are clear, crisp, and professional-looking. Remember, quality trumps quantity, so focus on creating engaging, entertaining, and informative content that resonates with your audience. Section 3. Optimizing your videos. To grow on YouTube, you need to optimize your videos for search engines and viewers. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve your visibility and rank higher in search results. Create eye-catching thumbnails and engaging video titles that will entice viewers to click on your content. Remember, the more enticing your video is, the more likely it is to be shared and recommended to a wider audience. Section 4. Consistent upload schedule. Consistency is key when it comes to growing on YouTube. Create a regular upload schedule and stick to it. Whether you post daily, weekly, or bi-weekly, make sure to be consistent so your viewers know when to expect new content from you. Consistency not only builds trust with your audience but also helps with YouTube's algorithm, which favors channels that post consistently. Section 5. Engaging with your audience. Growing on YouTube is not just about creating content, it's also about engaging with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and involve your viewers in your videos. Make them feel like they're part of your community and show them that you appreciate their support. The more engaged your audience is, the more likely they are to share your content and help you grow your channel. Section 6. Collaborations and cross-promotions. One of the fastest ways to grow on YouTube is through collaborations and cross-promotions. Partner with other creators in your niche or industry to reach a wider audience and introduce your channel to new viewers. Collaborations not only help you gain exposure but also allow you to learn from other creators and exchange ideas. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work, so don't be afraid to reach out and collaborate with others. Section 7. Utilizing social media and SEO. In addition to YouTube, leverage the power of social media and SEO to grow your channel. Share your videos on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to reach a wider audience and drive traffic to your channel. Additionally, optimize your online presence by including keywords, tags, and links to your YouTube channel to improve your search engine rankings and attract more viewers. Section 8. Analyzing your performance. To grow on YouTube, you need to track and analyze your performance regularly. Use YouTube Analytics to monitor your metrics such as watch time, engagement, and audience retention. Identify what's working well and what's not, and adjust your content strategy accordingly. By constantly analyzing your performance, you can optimize your videos for success and continue to grow your channel. Section 9. Staying persistent and patient. Growing on YouTube takes time, effort, and dedication. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Stay persistent, stay patient, and keep creating content that you're passionate about. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your YouTube channel. Keep pushing forward, stay positive, and trust the process. Your hard work will eventually pay off, and you'll see the growth and success you've been dreaming of. Conclusion. So there you have it, my friends. These are some of the top tips and tricks on how to grow on YouTube and become the next big sensation. Find your niche, create high-quality content, optimize your videos, engage with your audience, collaborate with others, utilize social media and SEO, analyze your performance, and stay persistent and patient. With dedication, hard work, and a dash of creativity, you can achieve your goals and take your YouTube channel to new heights. So go out there, create amazing content, and let your light shine bright on YouTube. The world is waiting for you to make your mark, so go ahead and make it happen.